Okay, so we're going to be putting a boiler in this house here, and this is where they're going to have to park because there is no rear alleyway. We're going to walk the path that the boiler's probably going to need to take. Customer says they're going to be trimming this back. Gotta watch these lights here. Got another one there. Through the gate into the back along the side of the house. Patio. And we got the Bilco door. Now we've got a little rise and lump there, so any feedback or suggestions on how I can make that better before the delivery day would be welcome. And there are the stairs. Coming down the stairs. So I just finished putting 2x6 supports underneath the middle because there's no stringer. There's no middle stringer. I don't think there ever was. And so that's looking pretty good. Any feedback would be welcome. The dispatcher shares this with the delivery crew. And this is the old boiler that's going to be coming out. Probably I'll have to break that up into pieces for it to go out. And there's our work there. So, thank you very much, and hope to give you progress reports on getting the new boiler in. Talk to you later.